last year, I've made over $1 million taking products from TikTok Shop and creating my own branded dropshipping stores and running them with meta ads. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I would take a brand new product from scratch and create a branded dropshipping store around it that makes over $250 every single day. Now, why I really love this model of TikTok Shop is that the TikTok Shop products that are on TikTok, they already have videos created for them. So we can take these videos and recreate them in our own way and use them on meta advertising to start getting customers to come buy these products from our website. And see, this is 10 times better than running a TikTok Shop website, because on TikTok Shop, you have to order the product, send it to TikTok, and then wait 14 to 21 days for them to pay you out once you actually sell products. Listen, we don't got that kind of time. I don't care about being a TikTok Shop seller. All I care about is using the videos from TikTok Shop to actually run meta ads with and scale these ads. That's the biggest problem that e-com brands have, is actually getting creatives to test their product and also scale. So using these creatives from TikTok Shop is going to allow us to do this a lot faster. Hey guys, I've made millions of dollars selling products online, as I said, and I'm actually taking on 2 more students here before the end of the year who want to work with me one-on-one. I'm going to help you find a product, build your store, and teach you everything you need to know, along with giving you my connection so we can go ahead and make your first $50,000 in sales in the first 90 days of the program. I'm gonna help you find a product. I'm gonna give you access to my private agent team in China. I'm gonna give you a winning template to actually put onto your store. I'm gonna help you set up a payment processing account with my payment processing company. And I'm gonna hold your hand each step of the way until you make your first $10,000, and that is a guarantee, okay? So if you want a guaranteed offer to actually work with me one-on-one and grow your e-commerce business, or just start one from scratch, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. Just submit an application and I'll see if we're gonna be a good fit to work together. Okay, so we currently have 52 days until Christmas. Now, Christmas is one of the biggest holidays here in the West and obviously worldwide. Now, it's an annual festival, as they say here, but it is something that only happens at a specific time of the year, specifically right after Thanksgiving or right after Halloween. Right now, it is right after Halloween. I mean, it is currently November 3rd, so Halloween was on October 31st. That was only 3 days ago. So now it is currently November, and in the month of November, a lot of stuff that happens is that it's preparing for Christmas, right? It's preparing for that cold season, because it's actually getting colder here. So as you can see, currently in North America, it is currently 40 degrees, 30 degrees. It is very cold currently in America. It's raining in some places. So currently it's going to be really cold. And that is where we are actually currently advertising our products, is we're advertising it in America. So we want to be advertising towards people who are going to actually be in the cold, but also people who are celebrating Christmas. So a product that I was thinking could do really well around this time of the year is actually Christmas slippers. And that's the product that I'm going to use for this video here. And the way that I actually know that this product is a good product, if you type the word cozy into Google Trends and you look at the past 5 years, you can see that right now is the time that cozy is actually about to pop off in a search term, because currently, as I said, in November, every single year in 2023, it goes from 73 to 100 searches in the month of November. It goes from 60 searches to 100 searches every month from the month of November, right after Halloween, as I said, right? Here's Halloween. This is Halloween right here. And then specifically after Halloween, every single year, it always pops off. So this is the time right now that this product is going to pop off, and we need to really hammer in on this concept that these slippers are cozy, okay? So when I search up slippers here, I don't really see anything. I kind of see the same one that we're about to sell. So when I type in cozy slippers, okay, so this is the first one. This is good, and this is a Christmas one. So this is what comes up when people type in cozy slippers. This is the kind of product I want to sell, aka this is the essentially same thing that I'm selling here. And we look up the term Christmas slippers every single year on this week right here, every single year, the first week of November, it always pops off until obviously Christmas. So we are at this point right now where we are about to go crazy. We have, over 80% gains to make here. Obviously, we missed the initial period of people, in October realizing, oh shit, Christmas is coming up. But it's really not that many people. It's obviously on the ramp up period. But obviously, we have the point now that we can actually get into this market and really capitalize here on these next about 8 weeks leading up until Christmas. So we have the next, about 3 weeks to really scale this out, to test this product out and really push out the first couple of sales into it. But obviously we really want to maximize things there in December when people realize, oh wow, Thanksgiving's over. It's time to really focus on Christmas. But people are really focused on Christmas now. If you noticed on the radio, they're playing Christmas music, right? People are talking more about Christmas because it is again getting colder. So we want to really incorporate snow, these slippers, and specifically the smiley slippers, which is pretty funny because this is the same kind of style as the smiley slipper that most people are familiar with, which is this one. So this is the kind of one that is really popping off here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and put this one on our store as the main product. So basically what I'm going to do now is I typed in Christmas slipper into AliExpress just to find product pictures for this product. Now that I have the actual link,
I'm going to take this over to AliExpress Page Pilot. I'm going to put it into Page Pilot. They are Christmas slippers to be festive with the upcoming Christmas season. Yeah, so generate. And I don't know if I've explained what Page Pilot is. Page Pilot basically creates the layout of the page, the copywriting, and they even give you the Facebook ad creatives, but you could even just, you know, use the pictures that they give you anyway. So, but yeah, it basically builds out the product page. I'm going to edit it a little bit more, but I just wanted to, you know, kind of get like a base for it. Okay, so now it's like it has this completed. So the title will definitely change this in a little bit, but this is pretty much ready to import into the store, and this layout, we can actually use it and start getting sales with this kind of a layout. I went ahead and ordered this product on Amazon because I'm going to get some custom made content with it and use that content in my ads and also as a GIF on the website. You don't really need to do this. If there's already videos online of the product, you can use those videos. So now I want to create a GIF of the actual video of the product. So I went ahead and ordered the product on Amazon, as you guys saw. And now the next step for me is to actually put together the clips. So I recorded 3 simple clips on my phone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into CapCut. I put these videos in CapCut here, really like a 5-second, couple seconds, you know, it's nothing long. And I went into the effects tab and I added this to get this snowfall effect, right? Because it's kind of like a Christmassy product. So, you know, I added this like snowfall effect to make it look as if it could fit that and, you know, more festive. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to leave it like that. It looks idealistic to me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this and I'm going to use this inside of the GIF. So I'm going to go back here. So now it's time to actually create the GIF. I'm going to take the file that I have now here and I'm going to drop it directly into EasyGIF. Now EasyGIF is going to, I'm going to upload this video to EasyGIF and it's going to create a GIF file for me. That GIF file, I can then use it on my Shopify site. What I'm going to do while I'm here is I'm going to crop the video. Now the reason I'm going to crop the video is because I don't want all of this video. I kind of only want this portion right here where the actual stuff is happening in the video, right? I don't need like the whole 9:16 format. I just need this like small little portion right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more. I'm gonna make sure that this is like the size that I want, and this looks like the size that I want. So now I'm gonna crop the video here, and EasyGIF is gonna go ahead and create the new sized video. And there we go. Now it is a little bit more cropped. If I look at the actual video, I can see how it looks like now. Now I'm gonna say to GIF. Now I'm gonna convert this actual video to a GIF because that was just the video. Now I have to go to the GIF section here, and it's going to now convert this to a GIF, which this is how it looks like now. Obviously, once it loads, it'll show me like the actual GIF. But for now, I'm gonna go to optimize, and I'm gonna bring the file size down, because currently the file size is 10 megabytes and I can't have a file size over 5 megabytes with Shopify. So I need to make sure that I get that below 5 megabytes. I'm going to optimize it at first. We're going to see what size we can get it down to. Okay, 5.31, that's not bad. I'm going to go ahead and save this now. And now when I go back to my Shopify store and I go to the actual product page and I go to the image section, the image with text, I can now upload this image. I can upload the GIF file that I just downloaded. And as you can see, it is uploading as a regular file. So this is going to be like an image file. As you can see, it's playing by itself here. So now that I add it, you can see how it looks like. It definitely looks different from just adding the entire video there, like the 9:16 video. When you size it down, it looks a lot better, especially on mobile. Like if I looked at this on mobile now, it looks a lot better. If it was the regular kind of size like this one, I feel like this is kind of too big. This is like more of a better size when you size it down. So now you can go ahead and add the text here. So basically how our product page is going to look like, I'm going to show you once I add the GIF and I, kind of update some of these and move them around, but I'll show you guys the website in a second. Now, one thing I'm also going to do is I'm going to make a review picture kind of just like this here with a ton of reviews of the product. So what I did is I went to TikTok Shop and I went and screenshotted like 15 or 20 reviews from TikTok Shop. So if you don't have the app, just download TikTok and then you can go to the shop section and you can get these reviews for kind of these same products. Or, if you have Kalo data, you can use Kalo data to open the link. And then obviously, from there, you will be able to screenshot the reviews from the actual listing. So What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make these smaller, and once I'm done, I'll show you guys the image. Okay, so there is our image. I'm just going to go here, download this, and I'm only going to save the second page so I can now go and add this to my website. So now we have the website done. We have this section up here. Now we're ready to actually go and add the last and final thing, which is an app called Kaching Bundles. Now, Kaching Bundles is going to allow us to go ahead and add an offer to our website. Okay, so pretty much what I just did is I created Kaching Bundles, which is the bundle app we use on the actual website. Now, when people come to my website, they're obviously going to see Mary's slides. They're going to see this text here. But obviously I want them to, come down here and see the offer. This is what's the most important, right? The buy one, get one free. So I set this up at Kaching Bundles like this. I created a new bundle. I named it buy one, get one free. So then when people get to the page, they see that first. And then I selected a specific product. So I selected the product that I'm going to run it under. And then I added, letting customers choose the variants. This is very important because it'll allow us to, have these variants be able to be chosen. And from there, I just changed the selected background color to kind of like my site's theme, which is like this green-red theme. I changed the badge background to a darker one, so then it stands out more on the most popular. And then kind of from there, all I did is I set up these offers. So the single, there's no discount at all. But number two, there's a 50% discount per item because it's buy one, get one free, right? So this is for a quantity of 2. They have to select 2 items and they get it for the price of 1. This is the enticing offer. This is the reason why somebody is going to want to buy from my website, because they see, okay, 1 is $29.99, but if I get 2, it's the same price, right? So they come here, they get this for 50% off. I also set it as the most popular badge, right? You don't want this simple one, it kind of looks stupid. You want it to be most popular and have this one selected by default. And then bar 3, same thing. I just put a discount, and then I said it's perfect for families. This one was perfect for couples. And yeah, this one they get 3, but it's buy 2, get 1 free. And that is my offer. Once you hit publish here, it'll put it on your actual website. And this is pretty much my website, guys. I'm going to take off this get $10 thing right here, but here is my website. Here are the images. I think it looks good. We have the text here. We have the reviews. We have this. We have the offer. We have some more information. I think these are just a little bit too big, these collapsible rows. Let me see if I can bring the size of these down. But yeah, basically besides that, I have the image, like the GIF here that we made in CapCut earlier. I put a little piece of text here. I also put some reviews, and then I put a lifetime guarantee. And then I have my review image down here, the form, and then the review section. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all you need to have to get people to buy products from your website. Because again, this right here is why they're here. They're here for this offer. So we want as many people to take this offer as possible. Now let's go work on the actual advertising. Okay, so to create the actual ad campaign, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna create a brand new campaign in Facebook ads and hit continue here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a manual sales campaign. Now, how I'm going to set this up here is exactly as I always do. So I'm going to name this, my, testing. I'm going to turn on my advanced campaign budget. You can set this at 50 a day. You can set this at even like $100 a day. It's really up to you. And then kind of from here, you're going to hit next, and then you're going to go into the ad set section. Select website optimization. You want to then select your pixel, and then you want to go ahead and select the purchase optimization event. This is the event that you're going to want to select, and then set your ads to launch for the next day. Today is the 4th, so I'm going to launch these on the 5th at 12 a.m. here. And then from here, I'm going to change my targeting locations to the top 5 countries. So I'm going to change this to Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and I'm also going to add Germany. Now I'm going to leave the audience in a broad setting. I'm not going to switch to an original audience. I'm going to leave it as an Advantage Plus audience, and I'm also going to leave it as Advantage Plus placements. Now, if you really wanted to, you could go here, you could turn off Audience Network and Messenger and do like a manual placement style thing, but I personally just like leaving it on the Advantage Plus placements because you never know what Facebook might come up with. So if you really want to, you can go to manual placements here, change these, take off the apps in sight, take off the search results, and you can leave all of this stuff here because stories and feeds are essentially what we want. We want the stories and the feeds because this is where most people are going to be able to make a conversion. So if you want to leave it like that, and go to the next section. Now inside of the ads section, you are going to upload 5 different ads. Okay, you're going to keep everything the same. The only thing you're going to change here is you are going to change this section of the ad creative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Kalo data and I'm going to type in Christmas slipper, and I'm actually going to find a listing of like a very similar product, pretty much the same exact product here. Now this product is the same one that I am running here. As you can see, this is like the
Same Christmas kind of slipper. Maybe these are a little bit different, but I'm going to take these videos. I'm going to find some videos here, and preferably of nobody speaking. Like, I kind of want videos just like this.
Do not wait till the last minute to get your cozy Christmas slippers. They are so cute and adorable, comfortable, and they have a hard, thick sole on the bottom. Do not wait till the last minute to get your cozy Christmas.
So now that I have the video, I'm going to download this video without a watermark here, and I'm going to download 3 of these videos. Make sure that each of the videos you download, you put them through this metadata cleaner. It's called ADARSUS. Put the file here that you download, and then it'll clean the metadata, so when you repost it as an ad, it doesn't sense, the platform doesn't sense that you just downloaded it from another video. Now, once you actually have your video, come insert your video here, select make the primary text like this. So obviously just put like one little sentence at the top. This could be like your hook. This could explain, what the actual product is doing for the person. So in this case, it's bringing ultimate coziness and warmth. And here's all these great features that this product has. And then under it, we put the BOGO offer. So we say, hey, it's buy one, get one. Here's the link to it. And then from there, we just change the actual, call to action to our product page, right? Have it be the shop now call to action. And then from there, all that you really need to do is make sure your website events is selected, and then go ahead and add. You also want to make sure that your offer is selected here, that this actual offer is what it is that you're doing. So in this case, it's buy one, get one free. It's a limited time deal, right? So people get buy one, get one free. In their eyes, they're going to get this deal when they see the ad. That's really important to have there. And that's pretty much everything when you're creating your ad. Now you just want to duplicate this once it's done. You want to duplicate this, come here, hit quick duplicate, and duplicate that 3 more times, right? For however many videos you have. I recommend adding 3 to 5 videos. So duplicate this 3 or 4 more times and just change the video. Don't change anything else besides this actual video here. Keep everything the same. Keep the primary text the same, keep the call to action the same, right? Keep everything the same, just change that actual video. Now that our ads are live, we're gonna see how much the first $100 in ad spend does in the next 48 hours here. So we are now in the middle of the first day of these ads being live. We're gonna go ahead and check on the ads so far to see how they're doing. Right now we've generated around $137. So we're gonna see at about 3 o'clock on a Saturday where we are at in ad spend wise. So in ad spend, we spent $83 and we have $137 in sales so far. Now this leaves us with over $55 in profit right now. Now we are in the middle of the day still, so there still is a chance for this campaign to start picking up here and start spending a little bit more so we can actually see how much money we can make with this. The first sale came in at 9 a.m. and then the other 2 sales came right back to back after that. So we didn't get lucky in the last 2 hours, but hopefully we get some more sales here at the end of the day. I believe we are. I think this product is a really good product. It's in the right time of the year as well, and it's a Saturday, so there should be a chance for more people to come and buy the product. But now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to go add some more reviews. And the idea of adding more reviews is I'm going to add images to the reviews so people can see what the actual product is that they're buying in the review format that people are leaving reviews in. I'm going to make those updates now, and I'll keep you guys updated towards the end of today and into tomorrow as to how this is doing. So in total, we spent $105.27 on the ads. We generated a 1.92 ROAS, with about $210 in sales from Facebook. But in total, all the sales we had on the website was actually $252. So the total cost of goods was $55 for the 6 orders that we got. Some people ordered 2, some people ordered 3, but in total, we spent $105 on the ads. So $55 on the cost of goods sold, and then we spent $105 on the advertising, which takes us to a total of $160 for the actual expenses on this store. Now taking $252 and subtracting that, that is $92 in total profit in the first 48 hours of the store. So we're actually shooting for about an almost 50% profit margin in the first 2 days of this store being live. Now, obviously, as I mentioned, if we continue this store, we're going to see some better results because it's going to optimize over time. That is how paid advertising works, and that's what the dropshipping business model is all about. See, you use dropshipping, the fulfillment model, to test the product. And after the first couple of days, if you see it working, that's when you can revamp the entire website, add more products. For example, on this store, what I could do to make more money is I can add different products that are related to Christmas, maybe like Christmas keychains, maybe even like Christmas treats. But the whole idea is that I want to increase my average order value as time goes on, as I actually run this store, because if I'm going to run it, I want to make more money. So sell more products, spend more on ads, and make this store better. That is the next steps for me. And don't forget to go to the first link in the description down below if you want to work with me one-on-one and get to your first $50,000 in sales guaranteed with e-commerce. I help you find a product, I let you use my supplier, I give you the winning templates to use for your website, and every single part of the process that you need to actually start making sales with e-commerce and get to your first $50,000 in sales. If you want to work with me, go ahead and apply by clicking the link in the description down below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.